Stuart's just exfoliating the scalp, removing the residue. Chris has adhesive at the front. What adhesive is it?
This is perfect superstraddle. See the hole?
Yeah, and pretty much 3/4 of the system is with extender bond and the front is with the cream adhesive. Right, thank you very much for coming today. I am here, but there's no way I'm taking this off because I'm doing vlogs and look how good looking he is. Right, so I'm going to sit behind the camera with this. Right, so yeah, thanks for coming today. Look, fantastic, and very kind of you to.
Yes.
Someone laugh before we start. I told you nothing's planned with me, mate. So nothing's planned. Right, that does seem like a good idea at the time.
Yeah, it did seem.
Okay, so the truth of the matter is, you had the system off us, and the people have seen the pictures, and and it didn't work out. It shedded hair, and you worked with Stuart, didn't you?
Yes,
so,
we worked.
So explain everything to me, or how you did it. You just went with our guidelines, didn't you?
Yeah, so I followed everything. We followed all your vlogs, kept on top of it. I know, yeah, it's really good. It's really useful to follow those, to be honest.
And what did you find was the problem with the system?
It was just the
hair shedding.
Yeah, the hair shedding. Everything else was fine. It was just the hair shedding. So we started out with glue.
Yeah.
And obviously the glue just didn't seem to work with me.
Right.
So we've changed that into the tape.
Yeah.
The tapes work wonders, but even that was still causing the the shedding was still happening even after.
Yeah. So I'll come in on this point, everybody. Let's just check if I'm recording because that was so good, but I got no. My eyesight's not very good. But it's so pleased.
I think it's recorded.
Right. Oh, is it? Okay. So what happened was, Chris, we went through with Stuart everything, and it's under the 3 months warranty. So we replace the system free of charge, and then we get the hair system sent back to the factory. And as you can see, you know, it looks great again. And the most frustrating thing, if anyone's listening, taking interest, you've seen Christopher before, and the system looked absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
didn't
it did.
So,
yeah, it felt amazing walking out of here. Yeah. First month, 2 months, it worked really well, and then it just happened. It just was. Yeah.
So what we were chatting about earlier, wasn't it? We were going to say, right, it could be happening at night, so you're going to go away with here with a silk pillowcase, which always looks nice, you know. So you did say you're single at the moment, so a little flashy satin or silk pillowcase that goes down. And then, you know, we kind of like semi-joked about it, but when hair shed is on systems, sometimes some of the clients might have to wear gloves. Yeah. And you mentioned that you might have to put some moisture on your hands.
Yeah, dry hands anyway, so it works quite well.
So you're living here in a very tie, you're going to wear gloves. Yeah. You're going to wear gloves at night. And
I'm going to have a silk pillowcase.
And you're going to have a silk pillowcase. So generally though, you found everything okay, haven't you?
Yeah, I've loved everything. Yeah, everything, the attention, the difference.
Oh, tell me that story again about Christmas, quickly.
The Christmas story. Oh yeah, so obviously
it's not really a story. It's true.
No, it's true. Yeah. So I work in retail, serving on the tills, and obviously I do these videos, and I sometimes did pictures when I first had it, and a lot of people have recognised me from it.
You're a celeb. Come on.
No, not a celeb, but people have recognised me, and obviously someone asked me about it in the queue of about 10 people.
Really.
And obviously caused a bit of a kerfuffle. So.
And then the poor Christopher.
So then I had to explain to everyone what I've had done, and then everyone was just as amazed. So
tell me that other one when you went in for something else. What was that lady said you?
So I went into what's it called now? I can't remember what it's called now, but the brand, it was in Howells anyway, shopping for some hair colour. Hair colour, yeah. So basically to get the hair colour back into the system a bit, using the conditioner, and so she was advising me what products to use, what brown to go for, and stuff. And then I told her, was it suitable for a hair system, and she was amazed that I was even wearing.
What do you mean?
So she didn't even know. Yeah. So I had to lift up a bit and show her the front hair.
Really?
Yeah, it was great.
Right, so basically what's happening, guys, occasionally, you know, it does happen. It's a fallible product. One thing I strongly recommend is if you love a hair system off Hair For All, definitely, I mentioned it in one of my vlogs, definitely get another one so you can alternate.
Yes, yeah.
I've got a situation which I mentioned, you know, let's be open and honest about this. A client that's did another video for me, and he didn't look after the system, and I've got it back on warranty, but he is walking around with a cap. I mentioned that, right? So I'm helping, and it does happen. it doesn't happen all the time because I won't even get out of bed in the morning every day.
Yes,
but anyway, look how good it looks. And look at this behind me. Have a look at Lewis. I think this vlog room has finally got 2 good looking guys in it, and I'm keeping out.
Oh come on, no. Wicked, thank you very much.